Here's how to make a Hawaiian pizza. For our pizza crust, we need 2 1/2 cup flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk until thoroughly combined and set aside. Combine the water and oil in a separate bowl. Slowly add the water mixture to the flour mixture. Using the spatula or your hands, mix until the dough should be soft but not sticky. Lightly flour your work area and a rolling pin, then roll your dough. For our toppings, we need 1 cup pizza sauce, 1 cup pineapple tidbits, ham, and grated cheese. Spoon the pizza sauce over the pizza base. Cover generously with ham, pineapples, and cheese. Bake the pizza for at least 15 to 17 minutes or until golden brown. Slice and enjoy! Show some love by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get notified. Thank you!